Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove items from your Walmart online shopping cart. Open the website walmart.com, then click on Account. Then, a drop-down list will appear. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now enter your email address. After entering, click on Sign In. Then, enter your password. Once entered, click Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a shopping cart icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the shopping cart icon. Now you will see the items on your cart. To remove, put the quantity to 0 by clicking the minus sign beside the item you wish to remove. Then the item will be removed from your cart. That's how you remove items from your Walmart online shopping cart. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.